Coach Leah. Today, we will learn to use adjectives. What is an adjective? Let's see.
Using adjectives.
An adjective is a word used to describe a person, place, animal, or objects.
Let's see some examples.
It's a big elephant. It's a small mouse. It's a fast car. It's a slow turtle. Can you remember the phrases? It's a big elephant. It's a small mouse. It's a fast car. It's a slow turtle. Look! It's a big ball. Whoa! It's a small ball. It's a fast ball. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's a slow ball. Thank you so much for watching. Can you think of something fast? Leave your comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.